Hello and welcome my 6th class student in the online learning class of computer. This is your computer teacher Priyanka ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So student, in today video we will start new chapter number 4, because chapter number 1, 2 and 3 we have already completed. I hope all the assignments you have done. But before I start the video, what are the two important things you have to do? You have to like the video and subscribe my channel to get the notification about new videos. So let's start today video. So student, our chapter name is Sound and Animation in PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint you have done in the earlier classes also. PowerPoint is a software which we use for making slides. Okay, and on the slides we put the different objects and enliven the objects to make it to give the real life effect. Okay, lively effect to our objects. So in the previous class you have learned the different ways in which you create a presentation, how you can use templates and themes to make the slide look beautiful, along with text, graphics like word art, picture, smart art, okay, shapes, etc. can be used to enhance the presentation. Enhance means improve the quality of your presentation. If you are making a presentation without any effects, then it will look very simple. But if we apply the effects in it, then it will look more attractive, more interactive. Okay. So in this chapter, you will learn how to add sound and video in your presentation. You learn to apply animation to the different objects in your slide, transition to make it interesting and appealing. Okay. Student, there is a difference between transition and animation, and most of you have confusion also. Actually, transition we apply when we have to move from one slide to another slide. Okay, how the slide will move? It will move in a spiral way, it will move in a flash way. Okay, different effects are there. To understand it, let's take example from your day-to-day life. Like your in your house, floor is there. So just consider floor as a slide, and when anybody make walls, then it will put over the floor only. Then wall is like object. When we keep furniture in it, it will consider as another object. When we keep table, then it can another object. So the floor can be considered as slide where we apply the transition, and the other objects which we are keeping over the floor, that we can use to apply the animation. So animation we apply on the objects and transition we apply to our slide. I hope understand what is animation and what is transition. Now in today's chapter we will learn how to insert audio. Till now you have insert only pictures. Now you can insert audio and video also. Okay, so I will explain you. Please, if you are having your notebooks and books, then keep with you, because I'm teaching you from the book only, so you can also underline the main points. Okay, you can add audio to your presentation to make it more appealing. Okay, I'm underlining these two words, presentation and appealing. The audio could be some background music or some recording of even your voice also. So 3 words I have underlined: presentation, appealing and background. You have to find the meaning from the dictionary. No need to write anywhere. You can simply write in your book. Okay. Now to add audio, we have to follow some step. You can see this. This is the audio button. Okay. This is the audio button. So what we have to do, click on insert tab. Tabs are there: file, edit, view, insert. So you will click on insert tab. In the media group, which group? Media group. Click on the arrow below audio. Okay, beta. Then step 3, choose from the 3 given options. There will be 3 options: audio from file, clip art audio and record audio. Audio from file means the files which you have downloaded from the internet, okay, or you have saved through the outer storage device like pen drive, etc. So these audios, in the dialog box, locate the audio file, select it and click insert. That will insert. Second thing is what? Clip art audio. Clip art pane will open displaying various clip art audio files. Click on any of the audio files to insert the audio in your slide. That is inbuilt. Okay. This is present in the system only. When you will click on clip art audio, some options will come. You can select and then it will apply on your slide. The last option is record audio. Dialog box opens. Press the recording button to start recording. Click on the stop button to complete the recording. Click on OK to add the recording to the slide. Here you can record your own voice. Okay, you can record your own voice, and then you can click on stop button when the recording will complete. When you will click on OK button, that particular recording will insert to the slide. So I hope you understand, student, these three options to add audio. What are the three? Again, I'm just telling you. You have to first of all click on insert tab. Then you can click on audio under media group. Okay, under it three options are present: audio from file, clip art audio, and record audio. You can see this dialog box also. This is your insert audio dialog box. Okay, I'm increasing the size that you can see it properly. This is your insert audio dialog box. Here some files are there. You can see, you can simply click here and click on insert button. That particular audio will insert in your first option. Okay, another two options, clip art option is present already inbuilt in the system, and the last one, you have to record your own voice, and that can be inserted to our slide. So today I'm teaching you till here only. Go through it properly. I'm not giving you any assignment. I will give assignment in the next video. But student, try to complete book exercise questions which are depend on these topics, okay, which are related to these topics which I have explained you. As much you can do, you can complete. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.